So I took out the back seat and I knocked that big dent out of there. Seat's terrible. These are gonna be fun. Stuff with horsehair. Yeah, they're pretty rough. Cleaned up the back a little bit. I gotta get these door handles on here. Vacuumed all that out. Found a little rust hole in the corner there that we knew about. That's got to be repaired. The wood's in pretty decent shape though. I mean, you can use some glue. Bottom of that piece is a little rotted, so it's that one. There's a leak back there. The roof ran down. Fill that up, I guess. But I'm just finishing polishing it up. Liking the way it's coming out. So keep going. Almost done. Almost. A little bit more. And then it should be shiny.